Now we're getting a great view of the sky here. I'm going to try to give you the sky, but also the street enough that you can see how well it lights the street once we get a really big flash overhead. It's like God taking a flash photograph of the earth for a Google map. There's the headlights, and then there's the flash of lightning. And where I'm at right now, there's just this incredible rapid succession of bolts that you can see that light up almost the whole sky. Just one after another. That was a good one. In case you're wondering whether or not I'm getting wet, the answer is yes, but it's about 72 degrees, so it makes no difference whether I'm in the rain or in the air. Oh, that was a nice one.